A struggling musician versus the world's most powerful AI. Tonight, only one will prove what music really means. This song just became the biggest hit on Earth. But there's one problem. No human wrote it. What if the future of music isn't human or AI, but something completely new?
In a city that never stops, a lone voice fights to be heard. Meet Kai, a singer-songwriter who believes music must come from the soul, not a machine. Every night, he plays in empty bars, his fingers strumming a vintage guitar, chasing a dream that feels just out of reach. Far from dimly lit bars, in a sleek tower of glass and steel, something extraordinary stirs. Aura, the AI unit for rhythmic arrangement, exists to create perfection. In seconds, she can compose a hit, analyzing billions of songs, predicting the exact melody the world will love. The corporation unveils her to the world. A prompt is fed, create a summer pop hit. In an instant, music flows. The crowd erupts in awe. But somewhere, a flickering screen in a dusty bar shows Kai watching, shaking his head. Soulless noise, he whispers. Secretly, the AI's song is released under the name Nova. Algorithms push it across every platform. Within days, it's unstoppable, a viral sensation that conquers the globe. And everywhere Kai goes, the song follows, mocking, taunting, impossible to ignore. The corporation issues a challenge, a live battle of the bands. Humanity versus AI. Kai, desperate for exposure, steps forward. One man. One guitar. Against perfection itself. The theme, Lost Love. Kai plays first, every note trembling with raw emotion. The audience is silent, some move to tears. Then Aura performs, a flawless pop ballad, harmonies precise, transitions perfect. The audience is torn. Heart versus machine. The judges debate. One praises perfection, another praises passion. The audience vote is split. A tie. The stakes rise, create a song that defines the future. Both human and machine must now confront the unknown. Alone in his studio, Kai stares at a blank page. Every lyric feels stale. Every chord feels meaningless. How can he compete with a machine that knows every song ever written? For the first time, the AI hesitates. Her algorithms stumble. The future is unpredictable. In her calculations, she discovers Kai's music, one imperfect note, bent and raw. Something unquantifiable. Something human. That night, a young programmer named Lena approaches Kai. She hands him a secret, a treasure trove of Aura's discarded musical fragments, the ideas the AI rejected as flawed. Perhaps, he thinks, there is hope in imperfection. Kai experiments with the ghost notes. Strange melodies. Glitched rhythms. Nothing conventional. But it feels alive. He merges the discarded fragments with his guitar. Something entirely new emerges, music that neither man nor machine could create alone. The arena is packed. Aura goes first, producing a futuristic masterpiece. Technical perfection at every note. Yet, it feels cold. The crowd is impressed, but untouched. Kai steps into the spotlight. He strums familiar chords, then twists the melody into the strange, haunting patterns from Aura's discarded ideas. The song is raw, emotional, futuristic, impossible. The audience is captivated, silent, then overwhelmed by the power of what they are hearing. The final note fades. Silence. Then a thunderous ovation. The judges nod. Tonight, we saw the past, and the future. But the future is not man or machine, it's man and machine. Kai smiles at the glowing AI display. Victory is shared. Months later, in a bright, modern studio, Kai plays a riff. Aura responds instantly, generating intricate harmonies. Lena watches, smiling. Human creativity and AI precision now move as one. The future of music isn't a battle, it's a collaboration.